So, that pesky deer lived somehow. I wrote a letter to his family, told him we're having a cookout today, and pretty sure deer like watermelon, so he's going to stop by for some watermelon. But I got a surprise for him. Oh, look, they got some grills, and oh, there's a watermelon. It's my favorite. Nom 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 nom.
All right, so first up going into the microwave is some grapes. If you don't know what happens when you put grapes in the microwave, you're about to find out. And this is all just for experimentation.
That's what Mike said in college.
Except for it carried on the rest of my life.
Oh, looks like that might have been it. I thought each one of them would go. Oh.
Ding!
I saw smoke coming out of the back.
There's smoke coming out of the side too.
I guess they're done. We can try one more.
Yeah.
Yep, looks like it came apart already. So, for some reason the grape absorbs all the radiation and then it gets released into ions and electrons and it creates plasma. Usually they used to think you could only find plasma on stars, but we just made some in a microwave.
And put another 22 round in it.
And we can do that real quick. And then we got an egg and biscuits, and then we'll have to move it outside.
All right, guys, so as you saw, the grape, it sparked, made some smells. Now we're going to put a 22 shell in there. What is a 22 round going to do?
It's taking awfully long. I'm not opening it until it goes off. My luck, I'll grab it and then it'll go off.
I'm not sure I'd want to touch it even if it didn't go off.
Either that or the microwave's broken because all the plasma. Oh, there it went.
Ah! She went boom. So as you can see, it has actually cracked that plate. There is the bullet itself. The casing is shattered around throughout. It finally did go off. So that plate is now cracked. finally went off.
Yeah, I heard it right when I walked inside. Like, oh, there it went.
So what's next?
Either the biscuits or the egg.
What do you think the egg's gonna do? Explode?
Oh, yeah.
All right, time to see what happens when we throw an egg in there.
Yeah, I said I was going to get food to make sure it's still working.
Oh!
That was pretty energetic.
Yeah, it was. It had more of a reaction than the bullet. Eggs cooked. Who's hungry?
He's got the pepper. I should probably grab that shell out of there. I'll find something to grab the shell.
Let's see. Yeah, she's cooked. It almost hard-boiled it.
All right, biscuits.
Biscuits are next, guys.
Don't worry, they're expired. It's not like we're wasting food or something.
But if they cook, I might actually take a bite just to be a dick.
Oh, and that egg's gonna fry even more. Because we didn't clean it out. You have biscuits and eggs. There it goes.
I don't think it's fully cooked. Nope, definitely not fully cooked.
No, they're still cold.
Oh yeah. A little bit warm, not horrible.
Gauge slug. And now I got this style microwave, so now I can go to a safe distance and plug it in. Oh, that didn't take long.
I didn't even see the damn thing turn on. Whoop!
It's done.
She was on fire.
Now you can see all the pieces in there. Bunch of unburnt gunpowder. Figures. All right, quarter can of starting fluid. I picked a quarter can. Well, I was going to buy a full one, but you need a proper air-fuel ratio for an explosion. And I bet a quarter can in here would be perfect. This could be good, or it could be bad. It's going to be like the biscuits. It's got to build up enough pressure to burst the container. And then if there's a spark, it might light. You can smell starting fluid already? Maybe it just melted the top out of it. Oh, I smell it. Bad we
Nothing
can't
else.
see.
Oh, I just saw a flame.
That might be it then. And let it go a second longer. Alright, I'll unplug it.
Yeah, you would hear it going if you didn't.
It's still got a little bit in there, but it was leaking out the top.
It's gonna make a mess, that's for damn sure if it explodes.
I don't like that though.
What, that it's dented?
No, that it's got the pop top
Oh,
instead of totally being sealed. Alright. Can of soup. We'll put her on a half hour just in case.
round 2 reset to 30 minutes.
Holy shit. The glass is at 500 and the can's at 212.
Oh no!
It's going.
Okay.
222 on the side.
Holy Jesus! Oh, I love it.